How to schedule Reels on Facebook from Meta Business Suite. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to schedule Reels on Facebook from Meta Business Suite. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for business.facebook.com. You will be led to the Facebook Business Suite, so make sure you are signed in. If not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now make sure you are on the home page of Meta Business Suite. Here you will see the option for Create Reel. Tap on that and then tap on the Add Video button under Media and further select the video. Once the video is uploaded, scroll down and add caption to your reel, and you can also add collaborators. Tap on Next once you are done making changes in this interface. In the interface that you will next be led to, make the necessary changes like adding audio, cropping the reel, trimming the reel, and adding text. Once you are done making changes, tap on Next and now you will see the option for Schedule. Tap on that and then select the date and time you want the reel to be uploaded at. Once selected, tap on the Schedule button, and with this your reel has been scheduled, as you can see here. So this is how you can schedule reels on Facebook from Meta Business Suite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.